you feeling a bit overwhelmed with everything going on in your life right now? Are you interested in some simple strategies to become healthier, happier, and more productive? Are you coping with so many uncertainties that you feel anxious most of the time and you want to change that? Are you suffering for some losses and need a push to truly bounce back and finding joy and happiness again in your life? Are you looking for a life skills development program that is affordable, simple, and sustainable? If you say yes to any of these questions, I want to invite you to join me in the 7-week journey to discover the magical power of the practice of the 5 values of grace to live your best life now. Hi, my name is An Lan Nguyen. I'm the author of the #1 Amazon International bestseller book, Living in Grace, Living Your Best Life Now. I wrote the book to share the grace message to the world and on how this simple and yet powerful mindset has transformed my life and many others to live with so much more joy, happiness, and fulfillment. By the end of this class, you will gain so much more clarity about yourself through the process of reflecting, recharging, and reapplying some profound wisdom to your life. You will start feeling the joy, the peace, and purpose of your life, regardless of what circumstances that you are in. The book is the door to what is possible in life, practicing gratitude, respect, accountability, courage, and engagement. But the class is to take you further and help you implement the strategies described inside the book, to coach you through the process, and to engage you with a community of like-minded people to support your personal growth. So, click on the link below to learn more about the class. I look forward to seeing you there.